Welcome to Icel tried to make a game for the Ludum Dare competition number 34. Um, Yesterday I worked for about 6 hours, I think, on this, and I will show you what I got. I'm working with a multi-monitor setup, so from time to time would be kind of tricky to switch between views, but we will manage. So, um, this is a game. The first thing that I built was the randomized board. It takes three types of tiles: the wooden, the glass, and the metal ones. It creates game object for all 64 tiles, then assign them a type randomly, and add a 2D sprite renderer with the appropriate sprite. Then we get the spot. If I stop the game and restart it, you can see that the board is recreated with something new. The next thing is the loading dock. It is loading two packages here. When you press the button, when you try to press again when it's full, you will get a message: dock is full, cannot load additional packages. And next is you can click and select either one of the packages, and it will give you a preview of the tile you are placing on the mouse. And that's when I stopped yesterday. You also have back to main menu. We have a main menu. There is a music in the background, but you can hear it because I disabled the computer music in the stream, because I am going to listen to videos and stuff during the work, and don't want it to go over into the stream. And then you click new game, you get a new board, I think every time. Yes, you get a new board every time. Yes, I know the background moves a little bit, but I don't care at the moment. You get the package, you click on the package, you place it. That's going to be the next thing I do, how to place the tiles. Okay, so I will go back to this view. The other view doesn't have the camera, I now realize, but it will be fine. Okay, so I haven't explained the concept of the game. You have the I'll drag the game window back here, put it like this, and then is there a key to? Okay, that's fine. Okay, so you are working at a spaceport, and you need to load packages onto containers. You take the package, you put it on the appropriate slot, you get points. Now, this is the hazardous material package. It's kind of like a joker. It can go anywhere, and you won't get as much of a XP bonus if you use it, but you can use it for any combination if you need to. Right now, it's the same chance to get it as the other tiles. I'm going to change that, so it will be rare. Okay, so later on, I just noticed a bug which I need to fix. So later on, you will have two things on every package. You will have the type of package, and you have a designation where it's supposed to go. One of many some types. and we are going to have a list of ships at the spaceports. Each ship will have a request for you to make a container that contains specific types of packages or specific destinations, and you will get more points if you fulfill those requests. And then you're going to level up and have more stuff which I haven't came up with. The theme for this Ludum Dare is either growth or 2-button controls. So right now I have a single button control with left mouse button to select stuff, and second button control is deselecting with the right mouse button, which now we see I need it to destroy this preview when you are not selecting stuff. So I have a bunch of stuff to fix, in addition to keep working on it. So we'll get right to it. Game window will go back. Okay, so the first thing I notice is that if I have a single package selected, if I have a package and it's selected and I order a new one, it will not move the checkmark, which it should. So this is going to, we're going to fix it. And I'm going to load our package loader script. I also need to mention that this is the first time I have coded this much on my own. I have a very basic understanding of programming since I learned some of it in school, but I'm not a professional coder. I haven't worked with C# in the past, and all of what I did here is from the knowledge I gathered from tutorial, and I'm going through a course on Udemy, and I'm watching videos on YouTube and stuff like that, and of course looking stuff in Google. So all of it is stuff I coded from scratch without much prior experience. The graphics, I have a huge library of graphical assets I collected from either public domain or Creative Commons sources. Some of it I paid for, some of it is free. That's it. Okay, so check mark. When I finished working on it yesterday, I wrote the comments for every section, so hopefully I will have a easier time to understand what I did there. Okay, here it is. This is the part that if you have an existing package in the loading dock, it will move the existing package to the side and create a new package. What I need to do is to check if you selected the package, and if so, you need to move the check mark as well. Now where is the here, I think that's the selected. Okay, so I have selected package. Here, if selected package is not null, meaning it has something in it, then selected can. Yes, that's it. So we move the selected to the same place. Let's see if it works. So I'm loading one package, select it, and loading a new package. It works. Excellent. Fine. Okay. Now I need, when I deselect it, I need it to deselect the preview as well, to move the preview back. Now where where do I do that? I think it's on the game board. File, no. For time to time, I'm going to use Hebrew words because I forget when I focus. So go with it. You get to learn Hebrew. Lo means no, and ken means yes. Fire, yeah. Fire 2. Deselect, good. It removes the transform. It also needs to remove the temp package. Where do I use it? Here. Temp package, that's the original position. Good. So if you use fire 2, temp package will go back to its position, to the off screen. Okay, let's see if it works. I select, it works, then whoop, excellent, works. Okay, the next thing I want to do is not only move stuff off screen, but also deactivate it. Just because I think it should work that way. Okay, so I need to search Google. Unity game object inactive. Deactivate. Deactivating game objects. Active, deactive. A game object can be temporarily removed from the scene by marking it as inactive. This can be done using its active self property from a script. Let's see. Game object that active self.